Imam. We are here to demonstrate our prototype project entitled The Shopee Beauty Shop. I'm Sheila Miman Sayunay.
I'm Kay Amar.
So, introduction. The Shopee Beauty Shop prototype is a simple e-commerce web application designed to simulate the pure future of an online beauty store. It provides users with an interactive shopping experiences where they can log in, views beauty products and items to the cart, place an order, and even track their order status all in one page. This prototype demonstrates how an online shop functions in structured yet user-friendly way. It showcases the front-end logic using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, allowing users to visualize a basic e-commerce workflow without needing a backend or database connection.
And now I will going to discuss the features of Shopee Beauty Shop. The first is login and logout system. The first screen users see is the login page. Users must enter a username and password to access the shop page. After logging in, a welcome message displays their username. The logout button allows users to exit their session and return to the login page. This simulates account access and helps in controlling which users can shop. And the second is product listing. The shop page shows a selection of beauty products, sample lip tint, foundation, serum, and etc. Each product card includes product image, name, and description. And the last is the price. Add to cart button. This layout gives users a clean and realistic product browsing experience. Number 3 is shopping cart system. When a user clicks add to cart, the selected product is stored in the cart array or cart items. The cart dynamically updates, displays each item added with its name and price. Next is calculate the total amount after the cart icon at the top. Users can also remove items individually using the X button beside each product in the cart. And number 4 is placing orders. When users click the place order, a simulated order process begins. First is ordered place, shipping in 2 to 3 days. After 3 seconds, your order has been shipped. After 6 seconds, order received. Thank you for shopping. This demonstrates the order life cycle from placement to shopping and delivery confirmation. Number 5 is the user interface or UI. Simple and attractive UI design using HTML, structure, and CSS styling. Two main pages is the login page. Login page is the user in authentication. And the second is shop page, shopping interface and cart. Clean typography, product images, and emoji icons make it visually appealing. And the last one is technologies used. Number 1 is HTML. HTML builds the structure of the pages login and shop layout. And the second is the CSS. CSS styles the elements, buttons, and layout. Number 3 is the JavaScript. JavaScript manages the logic, login system cart, updates order, simulation. This prototype is ideal for students and beginners learning how e-commerce sites function. Developers testing user interface ideas for online stores, demonstrate of basic login, cart, and order flow without complex databases.